Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Friday Night Gab and welcome. And I wanted to thank y'all for coming to my live last week. Normally I would do this week probably, but with the holiday, this is the weekend before Thanksgiving, so I know a lot of y'all are going to be very, very busy. So I thought it would be best to film this one and do the live last week, so that's what I did. But thank you all for coming, those that were able to, and just thank you all when you're here every day. I just love that y'all are here, and I love seeing you, and love talking to you, and I love filming, and I love my channel. I love seeing y'all. And well, I thought Smudge was going to come up, but he is not. You coming up, Smudge? Well, come on. Anyway, I wanted to thank you for coming to that and for being here. Just to thank you for being here. And on that note, I am not going to do a Friday Night Gab next Friday. That will be the Friday after Thanksgiving. And again, I think y'all will be turkeyed out. You know, that turkey makes you want to sleep, doesn't it? It makes you want to take naps and all that good stuff. So I thought it would be a good night to take off. I think I did that last year too. So, but I am going to have a video that morning, and I'm involved in a collab. I'm excited about it because I haven't been involved in too many collabs lately. And I tend to go for small collabs. This is a very big collab, but don't worry about that. I have had some subscribers tell me that they don't like the big collabs. You don't have to worry about that because you can go see whoever you want. You do not have to be subscribed to everybody. And I don't even know if anybody's doing any giveaways. I'm doing a little giveaway, just a small giveaway, a little skincare giveaway. And I'd love to see you. And you do not have to be subscribed to anybody else. I was invited to this collab by Nightmare Bliss, Miss Mare from Nightmare Bliss. So I just am honored that she invited me. And it's just going to be lots and lots of fun, y'all, because it's the Anti-Black Friday collab. Anti-Black Friday. So it's all about taking care of yourself and not spending a lot of money. Mare had this idea because she wants to be on a no-buy or a low-buy for the rest of the year, which is a good thing. And we all tend to overspend at Christmas, don't we? So it's a good way to learn some things from the ladies from the different channels. I don't think there's any gentlemen involved, but there may be. But there are going to be channels from around the world in this collab, which I think is really neat because other countries, other areas don't go crazy like we do for Black Friday. Black Friday is an American thing, and it gets us all like heebie-jeebies and everything. And what I like to do is stay home and take care of myself. So I'll be talking about that. And like I said, I'll do a little giveaway, but you don't have to be subscribed to anybody else. On the other hand, you will probably already be subscribed to a bunch of the channels because they are familiar channels. A lot of the channels are familiar. I did meet a couple of new people, but if you're already subscribed to Mare and you like her style, I love her. She does unique makeup. Excuse me. I have to stop a minute. Mare is a fantastic lady. I've known her for a little while. She does fabulous makeup. And she's very, very different, and that's what I really like about her. I love to meet new and different people, and she's introducing me to a few other channels like that. And they do like a lot of goth style makeup, which I don't know much about, so it's interesting to see how they do it. And the point of this Anti-Black Friday collab is to shop your stash, so to speak. What do you have at the house that you can use? So they'll be using makeup that they already have, the ones that will be doing makeup. Some will be doing other things. You can do crafts. You can do anything you want. I thought for me, how I like to take care of myself and relax and not do anything is to put my feet up and do some skincare. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So Kiki's Crackerjack box is making us a playlist. So they'll be in the description of the video. So you can go and watch the other channels. And there's somewhere between 15 and 20 channels. So like I said, it's a lot, but you do what you can do. And like I said, I'll have a little giveaway. I'm not sure what everybody else is going to do. You'll have to find out as you go. If you're interested, you do not have to be subscribed to anybody else to win my giveaway. Okay. Just wanted to make that clear because I don't want y'all coming at me for such a big collab. But I just thought it was going to be so much fun. I thought this group of people is really unique and different. And I just was honored that Miss Mare invited me. Because I think I've done one collab ever with her, I think. And yeah, I don't really do big collabs. So I just thought it would be sort of fun. Something different, that's all, something different. So, and then since I was taking off a Friday night gab, Friday night, I thought it would be nice to do. So, and I also want to tell y'all and apologize. I am behind again on my comments. Once I catch up, then something happens that I get behind again. So I will catch up, I promise. Okay, and I did get an email from Fab Fit Fun. My Fab Fit Fun is finally on its way. Many people already got theirs. Many people are going to get them before I get mine because, I got the email. I think I got the email, was it yesterday or today? And here's the train. And if you look at it, it doesn't tell you anything. It's like, a label is being created. So you have to wait 24 to 48 hours to even know anything. So, what usually, I probably get it in December, y'all, the way it is, because it even says on that, creating a label, it says, please allow 2 weeks for tracking information to update. Well, 2 weeks will be into, maybe I'll have my box by Christmas. That did happen to me last year, y'all. I did not get my box until like the 23rd of December or something. It was the last second before Christmas. And it was upsetting because I had wanted to use some of the items for gifts. So also another thing that I'm not happy about, y'all, is Boxycharm. I love Boxycharm. I do. I have, oh my goodness, I went nuts, so crazy on their mega box shop. Mega drop shop. I said that wrong. Now, they have a sale every month, drop shop. And they have some really good stuff on sale every month. The mega drop shops, some mega drop shops come and go, and there's nothing too fantastic in there. For some reason, the November mega drop shop is fantastic because I remember being fantastic last year. And they had $2 items. Each day they introduce something else. So you have to really pay attention to the daily deals. And the day that they introduced the $2 where I am, I think it doesn't hit till like noon. So you have to be near your computer or phone to get in on the deals or they're gone. But when I checked this morning, there still were some good deals. And it is, I believe the sale ends on November 20th, which usually that means midnight. So that's Sunday, right? Sunday, yes. So I do have a friend and family link that I have in my, that I put on my community tab, and I put it on my community tab on maybe Wednesday because a subscriber told me on one of my videos that they already had the friends and family. I am not getting emails from Boxy. Now, if I contact them and say, hey, I'm missing an item, then Boxy bot, whatever, that I get emails from that. But I used to get an email. If I ordered something, I got an email that told me this is your order. And then I get an email, this is your tracking, and I'm not getting those. So also in those emails, what I would also get was, it's time to choose, choice day. And I didn't get that email. I got a text. And that's how I knew on November 1st that it was choice, because normally choice is until like the 10th of the month. And I don't get the announcement about the friends and family. So it is going on. I will try to remember to put it in the description of this video, but it's also on my community tab from just a couple of days ago. So it should be easy to find if I forget, okay? So I hate that because y'all could have been shopping for a couple of days. I bought something else this morning, y'all. So they still have stuff. They still have good sales. So I just wanted to tell you about that. And I apologize that I didn't, had I got the email, I don't know what day it went up. Was it Monday? I mean, it's been a whole week. So I don't know what day that they offered that to people. And I didn't see it. Usually I'll see something like that in Instagram or something. And I didn't see it. Or I'll see some other channel, some other creator will post it on their community tab. And I didn't see any of it. But I've also been very, very busy at work and all. So we've been very shorthanded. So I haven't been able to look at my phone as much as I'd like to. Anyway, I do have to work. Okay. So anyway, that is that. Please, look out for my giveaways. I may have a hidden giveaway somewhere. I may just have one or two. My treasure trove giveaway is always going on. And then I also have the very lovely Whisk F tote bags. It's WISKF tote bags. That giveaway is going on too. And those bags are just so nice. They start at $5.99. Life with Lois she had a video this week from some of the bags as well, and she reminded me, I forgot to say that in my video, because they have other products besides the tote bags. They have the tote bags, the square, $5.99, and they have the bigger tote bag that I showed y'all, that's $12.99, and they have aprons, and those are the 3 products I showed you. They also have cosmetic bags, but just like Lois, I didn't pick a cosmetic bag because, you know, Lois and I both get a lot of cosmetic bags in our boxes, so we decided not to choose that. So go see her video too. I'll link her in the description so you can find her. I'm sure you know Lois. She got some beautiful bags as well. And the cosmetic bags, I think, start at $4.99, I think is what Lois said. So it's just a great company for, you know, some nice Christmas bags you can get. Just bags to do your grocery shopping, to go to the vegetable market, that kind of thing. So, Smudge, are you going to come up or not? So he's right here again. I was hoping he'd come up. Oh, no, that moving the chair scared him. Ever since, I don't know what's going on, y'all. I guess it's just the change of things. After Buddy passed away, they all got a little nutty. And, you know, it's hard on them because they miss the pets too. They miss them. You know, Buddy was our protector. And he was gone. Smudge, you want to say hey? No. You want to break my necklace? I think he did. He did. He broke my neck. Smudge. He broke my necklace. It might be fixable. It's probably fixable. Anyway. Thank you, Smudge. See, I shouldn't have picked him up. Okay, anyway. So since Honeybee has passed away, which was the beginning, mid-September, the both of them, every little noise scares the dickens out of them. If they're on my lap, one might be on my lap, one's near my legs on the recliner, and I cough, they freak. Well, especially Smudge. He jumps up and runs off. I'm like, I just coughed. I mean, I cough all the time. They surely have heard me cough many a time. So anyway, that's too much information. Anyway, y'all, thank you so much for stopping by and seeing my Friday Night Gab. And remember, I'm off next week, so to speak, and looking for my collab in the morning, and look for the other channels as well. It'll be a lot of fun. I think it'll be a lot of fun, y'all. And it's a good way for you just to stay home and take care of yourself and not worry about shopping, and put your feet up and rest and take care of yourself. And, you know, we don't get too much opportunity for that. And I think that's it. So count your blessings. Happy Thanksgiving. I know I'll see you before Thanksgiving, but I just want to say that again. In case you're the kind of, a subscriber that just comes by for Friday Night Gab, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. And I hope everybody has a good and a safe one. I know the weather's been really cold. It's got winter fast around here. And I think it did everywhere in the nation. So y'all stay safe, count your blessings, and happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.